All right, so spooky times are to be had around my household. So, had a little party for my son and stepdaughter for their birthdays, pretty close together, so we had the whole family over. And I pulled a Giulia out of the driveway to make sure I wouldn't be boxed in so I can go get the pizzas and everything. And as I did, the bumper scraped on the curb on the way out of the driveway because it's a bit of a dip out of leaving the driveway. And got to work that night and looked at my bumper and it had pulled out. You could see that right here. And so that's no good. Instead of filing an insurance claim and having my rates go up and all that bad stuff, I think what I'll do is get some epoxy and try to fix it myself. Shouldn't be too hard from what I see, and I do have some access to some high quality epoxy, so hopefully that will take care of the issue. But just a little PSA for you guys out there: when leaving driveways or going over speed bumps, make sure you got enough room. Mine's completely stock, not lowered in any way. It's just quite a dip getting out of that driveway, so got to go at an angle real slow to avoid it in the future. But we'll get some videos coming up of some drives. So like, share, subscribe, be a part of the Alpha pack. All right, talk to you later.